MetaTrader MT is a widely used platform in the financial industry offering a suite of tools for online trading and analysis. The MetaTrader series, consisting primarily of MetaTrader 4 Mount 4 and MetaTrader 5 Mount 5, has become a cornerstone in the world of forex and other financial markets. In this comprehensive exploration, we delve into the origins, features, advantages, and evolution of MetaTrader, examining its impact on traders and the financial landscape. Origins of MetaTrader. MetaTrader was developed by MetaQuote Software Corp., a Russian company, founded by Renat Fotkulin in 2000. Algorithmic trading. The inclusion of expert advisors (EAs) in MetaTrader allows traders to automate their strategies.
This feature is particularly appealing to those with programming skills who can create custom EAs. Multi-asset support. While Mount 4 primarily focused on forex, Mount 5 expanded its reach to include other asset classes like stocks and commodities. This diversification attracted a broader audience of traders. Mobile trading. The mobile versions of MetaTrader enable traders to stay connected and execute trades on the go. This accessibility is crucial in the fast-paced world of financial markets. Advantages of MetaTrader. One, popularity and community support. The widespread adoption of MetaTrader has fostered a large and active community of traders and developers. This community support is valuable for sharing strategies, indicators, and insights. 2. Backtesting capabilities. Traders can test their strategies using historical data through MetaTrader's backtesting feature. This helps in evaluating the viability of a trading strategy before deploying it in live markets. 3. Customization and flexibility. MetaTrader platforms are highly customizable, allowing users to adapt the interface to their preferences. This flexibility caters to the diverse needs and trading styles of individuals. 4. Security features. MetaTrader employs advanced security measures to safeguard user data and ensure the integrity of trades. Encryption protocols and secure login procedures contribute to the platform's robust security.